Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook creamy mushroom bacon. Okay, so we need mushroom. Okay, cream mushroom soup. Maybe I need only half of this one. So this is 298 grams. So maybe 148, something like that. Okay, and milk also. Maybe half a cup of milk or 1/3 cup of milk, and then bacon, and then garlic, onion, tomato, spring onions, oyster sauce, and then soy sauce if we need it. Okay, and then first the bacon first. We're gonna cook the bacon first. We just not put oil because this one is there's a lot of fat, so maybe it's a lot of oil later. Okay guys, so we're gonna cook this bacon first before we add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, we're gonna cook it first. Okay guys, the bacon is cooked, so we're gonna saute the garlic now. By the way, ako na gikuha ang mga mantika nga ningguha gikan sa bacon kay daghan kay mantika, so ako nagikuha. Okay guys, so saute the garlic. And then the onion, spring onions, and then the tomatoes. Sumut na kaayo guys. O ya, next. Atong butang gamay lang. Then black pepper. Some salt, we just add later if we need to. And then guys, we're gonna add the mushroom. This cream of mushroom soup para ma-creamy. Pero gamay ra kay butang kay gamay ra na ang bacon. So kaya ako sa testingan guys. Tupunan na to kay para mag-creamy. Okay, sakto na siya guys. May ato butangan og milk. Okay. Maybe 1/3 a cup of milk. At ito one. It's creamy na. Sakto ra ang pagka-creamy guys. Bakay? Lain man po kayo na manubra sa creamy. Sakto ra. This one, more than a half. Okay. And if the saltiness it's good enough. Okay, it's good enough, so we just simmer for a few minutes and we'll be right back guys. So our creamy mushroom bacon is done. Look at that one, it's creamy. Okay, it's done guys. So I'm going to garnish That's our creamy mushroom bacon. So, I'm going to taste the bacon and the mushroom. It's yummy, guys. So, I'm gonna off the heat now. Creamy mushroom bacon is done, okay? So, thank you for watching. And then please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.